In today's video, we will talk about the incredible capabilities of drone cameras. Drone cameras have completely transformed the way we create photos and videos. Drone cameras aren't like ordinary cameras. They are equipped with advanced technology and make it easy for you to capture high-quality images and videos from the air. Some drone cameras offer 4K video, automatic flight modes, and GPS navigation. You can control them effortlessly, and they will automatically follow the path you set. The biggest advantage of a drone camera is that it allows you to capture videos from angles that weren't possible before. Whether it's landscapes, events, or commercial projects, drone cameras offer the perfect view. While using a drone camera, it's essential to take certain precautions. You should always comply with local regulations and ensure that your drone's weight and range stay within the permitted limits. The drone camera has completely changed the way we approach photography and videography. With these incredible devices, you can capture stunning shots from hundreds of feet above the ground, all at the push of a button. Controlling a drone is also very simple. Most drones are operated via a remote control or a smartphone app. In addition, they come with GPS navigation systems, which allow you to easily guide your drone to any specific location. Modern drones also come with auto-flight modes that make photography even easier and more impressive. With Follow Me mode, the drone follows you automatically, while Point of Interest mode allows it to circle around a specific spot, capturing amazing angles. Today, drones have become an essential tool for weddings, events, and filmmaking. Thanks to drones, we can capture angles and scenes that were previously impossible. Whether it's a shot from above a mountain or an aerial view of a crowded event, a drone camera makes every moment special. While using a drone camera, it's important to follow safety guidelines. Remember that flying a drone too high or over restricted areas may violate local laws. Always be mindful of privacy concerns and respect local drone regulations. Landing your drone safely is just as important as flying it. Modern drones come with auto landing features, which allow them to descend and land safely on their own. A drone camera's battery life typically lasts 20 to 30 minutes, so it's a good idea to carry extra batteries. These batteries can be recharged in a few hours, allowing you to continue capturing footage without interruptions. When purchasing a drone camera, always consider its range, battery life, and camera resolution. A good drone can take your creative projects to new heights. The drone camera has opened up a whole new world in photography and videography. Capture your stories and moments from above, and explore a new perspective. For more tips and exciting videos, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe now.